at the Myrtle Beach Convention Center to take a peek at something that's unique to this area. Also, here's their Christmas tree. I'm sure it looks pretty when it's lit up, but that's what we're here to look at. Those are the footprints of astronaut Colonel Charles M. Duke Jr. He was a native of South Carolina, and he walked on the moon on April 20, 1972. He was also the first inductee to the South Carolina Hall of Fame, which is right over here. Let's take a walk over there and take a look at that. Check this out over here. They've got a charging station, little USB connectors, and it's solar powered. That's cool. Look at the little logo. So next time you're at the convention center for whatever reason, just swing over here, right past Mr. Duke's footprint and the fountain, flags, Shazam. There's your solar powered charging station. I'm sure at that night this tree looks really nice, but during the day it's kind of appears to be hollow. Check this out. If we take a closer look, you can actually see through the tree. See, there's some extra bulbs, there's a ladder. Yeah, there it is. This is the Myrtle Beach Convention Center. This is a portion of the South Carolina Hall of Fame. Hey, there's me in the mirror. The man we're looking for is right over here. There he is, Colonel Charles M. Duke. Ooh, you're a little shiny in the face there. Let's move back a little bit. There he is. Born in 1935 and still kicking these days. There's even some signed photographs from Mr. Charlie Duke, along with John Young and Ken Mattingly. Very cool. Also a miniature South Carolina flag that Duke actually carried to the moon with him. So that flag has traveled quite a distance. And we can't forget Mr. Peter Ory, namesake for the county that we're in. Happen to stay at the Sheraton Hotel, which is located over here. You have the luxury of being attached to the convention center. Let's go take a peek around this corner. Thank you for watching. Like if you like it, share if you want to share it, and if you want to see more from the Myrtle Beach area, go ahead and subscribe.